grab one of those that I need to republish and do together.
Yeah, great. Awesome.
Awesome.
Maravilha.
Maravilha. Just quick. Before this, just mark as republish. Cool.
Are you recording already? Catch up?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, just. Are you already recording? No. Give me 25 seconds because I was in the middle of one thing that I need to finish. Otherwise, I'll get lost. 30 seconds. We'll
Okay.
be very fast. So this one is republished. 6 distinguished. Republished. Awesome. Now I'm ready.
Recording now.
Recording now.
Yeah.
All right. So I'll go through all the process of uploading or republishing or editing a post in WordPress and then checking how to clean the cache and verifying it's all correct. Cool. So I need to share my screen, right? So this one here.
Yeah, you're not sharing yet your screen.
Not yet.
Yeah.
I'll do the following. I'll share the whole because I'll need to navigate through a few different windows. Cool. I'm assuming you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
So here's how I do this. I'm following the things that are agreed on. First, or click copy. Go here. Ready to upload. I grab this one. Maravilhas Ocultas. Parará, parará. This one I need to republish. It means that we have this article live that need to be corrected somewhere. Awesome. So I need to grab this one. How I do it? I detach here so I can navigate easily like this way. Right, so I want to close the previous things. This one is a Maravilhas Ocultas 5 Curiosities. And this is Maravilhas Ocultas 5 Curiosities. Awesome. Yeah. Close the rest. This is the one, and this is the. I know it sounds a little confusing, so let's restart because I was with a lot of open windows at the same time. Let me restart so it'll be easier for you to understand because it was a lot of things. Cool. Forget about everything until now. Starting now. This is the post I need to edit because we have this old post that is live that needs to come to correction. How do I find it? I need to go with this title. Descubra o paraíso oculto, because I need to find this specific post inside WordPress. So the title is always the title. So I grab and copy and paste this name. I go back to the post section in WordPress and I search for it here. This is the post I need to edit. So I'll open it in WordPress. This is where I'll edit everything about this post. And what do I need to change here according to what is in this file here. This is the file with the guidelines of what needs to be corrected in this post here. All right, so I'll just start by copying the title. Correct. It's a list post, just need to check and verify. It is really a list post. Then resume. What's the resume? Is the meta description. Copy the meta description and paste here. Awesome. What's the content? It's everything that's written here before the first subtitle. So I copy this and I paste it. But as I feel that you saw that we have a URL here. In this resume, I cannot add any links, anything besides the text itself. So it means that this resume, if it's carrying any hyperlink to anywhere, I cannot use it here. Right? I need to make sure that it's in the right place, which is the content. Check. Is the URL working? Is this a real post we need to use? I imagine it is. Fantastic. It is here. So, and in verifying city, state, and country. Is it correct? I am assuming it is. Items. So now we drop into the list. Since it's a list post, we go down to the first items of the list. This is the first one. How are we calling to the post? Preservação ambiental de Caraíva, baliza selvagem das praias. Cool. We name it. Then down here, the same text. We name it. One thing that I need to be aware of is this spacing here. Unfortunately, there's something wrong between the WordPress and the front end. That if we don't do like two enters, two backspace here, paragraphs enters, it will not count as an enter. It will be like the text will be like one right after the other. If I want this paragraph here in WordPress, I need to make it two. Yeah, it's weird, I know. But this is how it was built. Wesley is trying to fix this. So preservação ambiental, what's the image? This is the image we already have. Do we need to replace it? That's one thing that I want to check with you, Katya and Fernanda and Nanica, everybody. We already have images here. If this image is wrong or not good enough, cool, we can keep substituting them. But in some cases, they are pretty much similar, right? So let's see which is this image here. It's just another image, right, from Caraíva.
Yeah.
And it happens that this image here, we already have them in WordPress. So if you want to substitute this one, just add image and search for Caraíva. And finding this image here, I remember that one, this, isn't it? No. This one. Select. Second item. Encontro do Rio com o Mar, um espetáculo natural em Caraíva. Copy. Paste. Text. Paste. Enter. This is the image we have here. The encontro de águas com. If you look at this image, yeah, that's where it starts to get problematic with images. What's the information about the credit from this image? Flickr, is it enough? I'm not sure. We need to make sure that the credits, the attribution is correct. Because if you just put Flickr there, is it enough? I don't know. So we need to download this image. The right page. This is the name of the image, so we need to rename it. Go to downloads. What's the name I'm going to use here? It is about Encontro do Rio com o Mar. But I've been in Caraíva before. I know, yeah, this is actually the Encontro do Rio com o Mar. But you need to be aware. Encontro do Rio. Let's go through it. Cool. Now I have him in my note, my computer. This is also, it's almost the same image, but a different angle. But that's the thing. We just need to make sure that is it worth it to change the image or not. I'm changing anyways because it's in the file. Upload, select. Open. What's the caption? Flickr. I don't know if it's enough or not.
In
And then the
that
alt
case,
text.
just sorry to cut you guys. In that
Yeah.
case, if we get the images from Flickr, just for the girls as well to know, there's always a profile of the person who took the picture. So you have the image, and if you go below, you have the profile of the person. So it's better to click on that person and copy paste the name of the person. Instead of putting Flickr, you just put the name of the person who took the picture. Yeah.
I can't do this, unfortunately. Right, so I don't have a way to go back or to access anything because I have the URL of the image itself. So this is important to have, to give the credit to the right people. So put here the caption, the credits, And I put an alternation description of this image, then I select. This is the right image. Going to the third item of the list. Charme de Caraíba, atmosfera, change. What's this URL? Right, so from Let's-Go Guru is not staging one, so it's correct. So I can just here, checking, editing, just to make sure it's opening a new tab. This is it's easier. Just go hit edit, link options, where you want this item, this URL to open in the same window you are at, or a new tab. I always select a new tab because you can create two different navigations. I feel it's better.
Yeah, let's keep it as standard as that on a new tab always.
All right. So, Charme de Caraíba, this is the image we have. And the file you suggest to use this one. So I open the file, I download it, I copy the meta, and use 2048 pixels. Because if I use the minimum the image must have is 124 by 124. But if I select just 124, we're talking about the one of the sides of the image, or just the length of the image. So it means that it can be 124 by 928. It's not enough. If the minimum is 124, the easiest way and the safest way is to select 248. Because then you can make sure that even if it's a little smaller, one of the sides will fit in 124, 124. We downloaded the image. It's already here. This image, I can't change the name because it's not mine. And I'm downloading from the Wikipedia, Wiki Commons. I copy this attribution file name here. It's super important. Copy. Go back. The editing. Delete this image. Add new one. Upload. Select. This one. Open it. Wait. That information I copy from the attribution, this information here, I paste it in caption. And the alt text, I need to describe what is here. Igreja, imagem e uma igreja branca e azul em Caraíba. Great. What's this alt text? This is for blind people. When they over the mouse, over the image, they will describe what that image means, what is being shown there. So we need to be descriptive here. We can't just put like Caraíba, because all the images will be like Caraíba. And the best we describe, the better it is for the people that can see. So select. It is here now. Next item of the list. Chave de Caraíba, cultura quilombola, raízes em Caraíba. Outro local. Change here. Okay. Okay. Enter. This is the image we have here. This is the image. This is the thing that I'm not 100% sure. Can we really use this image? Because all we have here is like Agência Brasil. I don't know.
Yeah, in this case, Gabs, sorry, Fe.
Agência Brasil always have images that it's allowed to use.
Okay.
Governmental site, I don't know. It's from Gov.
Okay. So I need to rename it. How will I rename it? Let me think. Quilombola, cultura quilombola. Cultura quilombola. Caraíba. Let's go. Next name. So, this one, add new image, upload, select it. Here it is. Open. I don't have a caption. All I have is Agência Brasil, right? Agência Brasil. Cool. So, comunidade quilombola em Caraíva, dançando festividade. Right. Here it is. Paraíso aquático, next item. Text. Right, the image is here, so I need to kind of ignore it. Good here. Next. Cool. And what is this URL? Let's go. Cool. It's correct, I guess. Open it up there. Awesome. So this is the Paraíso Aquático. This is the image. This is definitely something like I cannot use because it has way less than 124, 1024 from 1024 pixels. It's a very small image.
Yeah, we can use the same one that is already on WordPress. So
Right.
no problem.
This one here?
Yeah, we can use the same one.
Very cool. Can just forget about this images. Anything else we need to be aware of here? No. Cool. So we changed the whole text. Now I go to the WordPress information. Scroll back up. And on the right side, we scroll down. This post has the interest, relax in praias. So we need it. Relax, praias, aventuras e ecoturismo. Aventuras, ecoturismo. Cool. And who's going? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of them, all of the options. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So recommended 4. The goal, tourism. The budget, 500 to 1,000. So 500 to 1,000. Tax. This is one part that needs to be really, really well understood. The filtering options in the site. If we type here, praia, for example, go, it will show me there's 5 items here. But if we remove it and click in praias here, search, there'll be a huge difference of the quantity of posts. Why? These posts, this information that you select here, the interest, these little balls here, these are the informations that we insert here in the interest section. And these information that we type in here, praia, for example, are the tags. So they need to match. It means that those 4 interests here, they must 100% of the time be also in the tags. Otherwise, there'll be this difference I just showed about praia, for example. And one thing, the correct is praias, not praia. So you need to be aware. I already make this matching 100% of the posts, but since we just changed this 4 interest here, I need to review. So relax, praias, aventura is not here. And aventura. Then ecoturismo. Ecoturismo. Exactly the same way it's written. Because if we put eco here, there'll be other options. needs to be exactly the same way it's written over there. So echo dash 3, add. And then after verify what is up here and what's down here, then we can go back to the file and copy these tags here. Copy and paste. Boom. Another thing that needs to be, well, understood, that we cannot add here the names of the places. Caraíba needs to go, Bahia needs to go. And that's it. Because if we put in the tags or the interests, the name of the places, it will, for some reason, mess with the filtering options. Because we already have Caraíba here, we already have Bahia here, we already have Brazil here. So we cannot repeat them in the tags. So just need to clean this up. To Rodolfo Gabriel, so the featured image, you go to the post, what's the featured image? We don't have one. No worries, I can use just the same. Is it okay, Katya, to use the same?
Preferably, maybe the first image that appeared in the text.
So the first image is this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so remove the featured image. Set featured image. Is this one. Here it is. Then we go down because we need to keep editing, and then we can complete the SEO part. What's the focus phase? It is Caraíba, so it's correct. Then the SEO type. This is substitute. Then the meta description. And we see what if there's anything that we can improve. Everything is in green, so it sounds that is good. So apparently we are good to go. Everything, all the changes we did here, they are replicated to WordPress. So I'll update them. Wait. Cool. When it's updated, in theory, we can see this post in the staging version of the website. So we need to understand that we have the live production version and the staging version. Right? So we need to be aware to check first here. Awesome. How? This is the slug that I need to add to the end of this URL. But first, we need to clean the cache. In the WordPress, we have this option, Universal Cache Clearer. So just open it. You go to the post. Have a lot of app options here. You just go to post, filter. This is the post we need to clean, right? Maravilha ocultas, great. So just select it, change to clear cache, and apply. There you see the change here and the number. Right. In theory, it's all fine. So now we go back here, we copy the slug, and add to the end of the URL. So let's go cruise for /pt/post/ the slug. Go. Cool. Verify the tags are here, they're working fine. The texts are here. The meta script, the caption, the way it needs to be shown. This introduction, I cannot remove it for now until we ask for Wesley to edit the list version of the pages. The same go here with this number. So the links are correct. Open. Right. Just figured out one problem, that this link here is not opening in a new tab. So we need to go back there. Edit. This link here. Edit. Edit. Open a new tab. Update. Update. So we need to redo the process once again. Go back to Universal Cache Clearer. Open it. Select the one. your cache, apply. All right, now we go back here, update, see if the change was made. Still wasn't. So now we need to do some magic. I need to copy this whole thing here on PT until the very end and use one software called Postman. I go here in path. Set. Go back. Reload. Sometimes it takes a while. Cool. So in theory, it's corrected now. Yes, it is. Here's the previous one. Open the new tab. So that's fine. That's it. So I've finished everything. This is the staging version of the post. I copy here. I have my control. Just add it here because whenever Wesley says it's possible, I can go and replicate from staging to production. So all of these posts here will turn into let's go woos.com. If I try to open here, it will be a problem because it's not live yet. Actually, this one is because I'm using the same slug and I just updated. All right, so that's it. Yeah. So now I go back here, the upload section, republish.
And I have a question, Gabs. So this is only to post. This process is only to post on the staging site, right? So
Yes.
when does Wesley published live? What are his times?
No, actually, it's not him that does that. I am the one replicating from staging to production. But the problem is, at this very moment, he's editing a lot of things and changing this backlog. He's doing these things here on the website, correcting a bunch of stuff that we asked him to do. So he's doing this on staging version. It means that if I publish from staging to prod in the middle of something that he's doing, it's going to production, live website, something that is broken.
Sure.
So I need to analyze with him and align with him when he finishes something. So in this meantime, I can go there and replicate everything to production.
Got it. But still, can you show us the process without clicking on anything? Just to see how is the process to go live on production.
Cool. So fantastic. So this is the version of staging. Cool. So I need to change the staging to prod. How do we do that? I log into another. Can you still see my screen? I changed the tabs.
Yes, we can see it.
This purple one, not purple. I don't know what color it is. It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
I'd say it's purple.
So,
version of.
Yeah, version of purple. So I go here and open the Kingston. Kingston is our server where the website is hosted. Here in Kingston, I go and select the project that we're working with. Right. The project that we're working with, which let's go Gurus, DataNet. Then this is everything is related, all the information in the live stage. You can see here at the top, let's go Gurus, green button, live. So I just click here because what I want to edit is the staging version. So I click and change the staging. This is what I want to edit. What's the addition I want to do? I want to push this environment from staging to production. Cool. If I want to push the environment, I just click on the button, push environment, and then push the live. I make the authorization, and I hit this button that I can't now, the push live. And whenever I click here, the change will start to be made. There'll be an alert message on my screen saying, we are working on this pushing and everything will be fine in a while. And this while means around 20 minutes, sometimes more than that, but rarely less. And then we, in theory, replicate everything from staging to production. But then we can go back in this URL, and instead of using this full URL, just let's go com, and we can see the post live.
Got it. Got it. So I will stop recording now, guys, just to divide the topic of the process. Just give me a second.